Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to limit your Lenovo laptop battery charging to 80% to help extend your battery's lifespan. First, click on the Start menu and search for Lenovo Vantage. Then open the app. Once Lenovo Vantage opens, click on the Settings icon. Now, under Device Settings, make sure Power is selected. Scroll down until you find the Battery or Charging section. Look for the battery charge threshold option. Turn it on. Then set start charging to 75% and stop charging to 80%. This will make your laptop start charging when the battery drops below 75% and automatically stop charging when it reaches 80%, helping to extend your battery's lifespan. If you don't have Lenovo Vantage installed, open the Microsoft Store, search for Lenovo Vantage, install the app. Then follow the same steps to enable battery charge threshold. That's it. Your battery charging is now limited to 80%, helping your Lenovo laptop battery last longer over time. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more Lenovo laptop tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.